Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To turn off two-factor authentication 2FA on your Instagram account, follow these steps for a smooth and straightforward process. First, launch your Instagram app and ensure you are logged into your account. You should land on the home page upon opening the app. At the bottom of the screen, you will see various icons. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile page. Once on your profile page, look for the three horizontal bars, also known as the menu icon, in the top right corner and click on them. This will open a menu where you should select the Account Center option. In the Account Center, find and click on Password and Security. This will take you to a page where you can manage various security settings. Next, head towards the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication. In the Two-Factor Authentication section, you will see a list of methods available for your Instagram account. If you have already enabled 2FA, it will be visible on this page. Click on your Instagram account to see the specific options you have chosen for 2FA. Depending on your chosen method for 2FA, whether it's SMS, WhatsApp, or an authenticator app, you will see the corresponding options here. For SMS or WhatsApp, you will see a similar option to the one currently set up. For those using an authenticator app, the option will be clearly labeled as such. To disable 2FA, simply select the method you are currently using and choose to turn off 2FA. Confirm your choice by clicking Turn Off. You have now successfully disabled two-factor authentication for your Instagram account. This process is quick and user-friendly, making it easy to manage your security settings on Instagram. So that's basically how to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.